Let's fill out the Utah ATV bill of sale together. And do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the ATV and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyers, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the ATV, the make and model, and the year. Then the VIN. Type the VIN exactly as it appears on the title or the ATV. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Now the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. When selling an ATV in this state, you'll want to make sure your bill of sale is written or printed in ink, not pencil. Either handwritten or typed is fine. Just make sure it's in ink. Now, for the people involved. The seller needs to provide their full name, address, and signature on the document. The buyer needs to include their name and address as well. You'll also want to include the purchase price of the vehicle, so make sure that's clearly written out. The bill of sale should include the vehicle title information, so have that handy when you're filling everything out. Here's something important for sellers. If there's a lien on the ATV, meaning you still owe money on it, you'll need to contact your bank or credit union to get that sorted out before the sale. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.